Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will explain you how I gain 17% from this stock within 2 weeks. So without wasting time, let's get started. So this is the chart of Adani Enterprise and this is a daily time frame chart. The stock is in uptrend because higher high formation is made, and the stock is trading under these two channel. Now let's move to the lower time frame, that is 15-minute time frame. It's a 15-minute simple breakout. There has been two resistance. This is the first one and the second one, and at the bottom there are 4 support areas. These are the support areas, and my entry was at this level, at this area after the breakout, and my stop loss was at this area near about 1.5% my stop loss, and I exited this trade at this point. So my stop loss is near about 1.5% and my profit is near about 16%. So this is a very good risk to reward trade, and I do not exit in the middle of this trade, of this bull run, because there is no indication to sell up. Why I exited at this area? Let's move to the daily time frame. I exited this trade at this point, at this red candle. Okay, why? Because this is a huge red candle and this is an indication of huge sell off. So I exited at this area. So this is the trade that I took 2 weeks ago. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video.